What's up everyone, this is Shami Albeso and welcome to my first unboxing video. So today we will be unboxing an i11 5.0 TWS wireless headset. It's already open, but I just wanted to let you see if what is inside after you purchase the product. So once you open it, you'll be able to see the product immediately. And by the way, this is covered with blue plastic, so let's just skip this one. And if you're going to open it, you'll be able to see the lightning cord. This is actually good for me because I'm using an iPhone, and as well as the manual. Okay, so here is the product. If you're going to turn it, you will be able to see the on and off button. So if you're going to press this one, it will turn on, the case will turn on, and it will charge. If it is red, it means that it is charging. So once you open the case, you will see the wireless headset. So once you pull it up, it automatically connects to each other. So just let it stay for a few seconds though. It's already connected. If the other one is no longer lighting, it means it's already connected. So you just need to connect it with your Bluetooth to through your cell phone. And by the way, if you're going to use this one, whenever you answer phone calls, you just need to tick once, either of those, the left or right. And if you're going to lower down the volume, just tick twice on the left wireless earphone. And if you're going to raise the volume up, just tick twice at the right part. So if you wish to turn it off, just do a long press, or you can just return it to the box. I'm sorry, to the case. And just press this button. Alright, so there you go. And by the way, if you're interested to purchase this product, I was able to purchase it at Shopee, worth of 199 pesos only. And if you're going to convert that, it's around $4 or lesser. So the sound quality, it's not so good compared with the other wireless headset, but it's still satisfying, though it's not so loud. And actually I purchased 2 of it just for reservation. Okay, so if you like this video and my vlog, don't forget to subscribe and tick the bell icon for the notification. So thank you so much for viewing, and you do have a wonderful day everyone. Bye guys.